Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make pie chart in Google Sheet. So the first thing that you want to do is to open your Google Sheet and then tap on any document that you want to make a pie chart. Now, for example, right here, I have my grades and the percentage of the students that got that grade. So what I'm going to do is just to select all the items. And then you can see at the top this option, Insert. Just tap on Insert. From here, you can see this option, Chart. Just tap on Chart. And then select the pie chart. And it will look like this. If you want a different type of pie chart, you can select Donut Pie Chart. Just tap on this icon to edit your chart. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.